Medicare Part D drug coverage in 2026 is the most retiree-friendly it has ever been. A hard $2,100 annual out-of-pocket cap on prescriptions, the donut hole permanently closed, and a new payment plan that lets you spread that cap across 12 months instead of front-loading. Here is exactly how Part D works in 2026 and how to find the cheapest plan for your specific drug list. Part D used to have 4 phases. As of 2025, the Inflation Reduction Act collapsed it to 3. Phase 1, the deductible. You pay 100% up to $590 in 2026. Phase 2, initial coverage. You pay 25% of drug costs after the deductible until you hit $2,100 in total out-of-pocket. Phase 3, catastrophic. You pay 0. That's it. The infamous donut hole, where you used to pay 25 to 100% of costs in a coverage gap, is gone. The $2,100 cap is the game changer. Before 2025, a retiree on expensive cancer or autoimmune drugs could spend $8,000 to $15,000 a year out of pocket on Part D. Now, no matter how expensive your drugs are, you stop paying at $2,100 for the year. That single rule saves some retirees thousands of dollars annually. Average premium 2026 for a standalone Part D plan, about $46 per month, varies widely by plan and region from $12 to $100. If your modified AGI from 2 years ago exceeded the IRMAA threshold, you pay a Part D IRMAA surcharge on top, same income tiers as Part B IRMAA. Lowest tier surcharge in 2026, about $14 per month. Top tier, $86 per month extra. The Medicare Prescription Payment Plan, called M3P, is a new option in 2025 Plus that lets you spread the $2,100 cap evenly across 12 months instead of paying it all at the pharmacy upfront. You opt in once with your Part D plan. Then every month the plan bills you a fraction of your year-to-date cap, regardless of when you actually filled the prescriptions. You pay 0 at the pharmacy counter going forward. Great for people whose expensive drugs hit in January and February. Plan Finder at Medicare.gov is essential because Part D plans price drugs very differently. The same medication might cost $30 at one plan and $300 at another. Enter your drug list and ZIP. Plan Finder shows total estimated annual cost, premium plus deductible plus your specific drug copays, sorted from cheapest to most expensive. Rerun Plan Finder every open enrollment because plans change drug formularies annually. Extra Help is the Medicare term for the low-income subsidy that wipes out most or all Part D costs. If you qualify, your premium drops to 0, your deductible goes to 0, and copays drop to about $4 generic or $12 brand. Income limit in 2026 is roughly $23,000 single. Many states automatically enroll Medicaid-eligible Medicare beneficiaries. If you might qualify and aren't enrolled, apply at ssa.gov/benefits/Medicare/prescription help. Recap. Part D 2026, $590 deductible, 25% coinsurance, hard cap at $2,100. Donut hole permanently closed. Average premium $46. IRMAA surcharge adds $14 to $86 monthly for high earners. M3P spreads the cap across 12 months. Plan Finder finds cheapest plan for your drugs. Extra Help wipes most costs if income under $23,000.